Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Good morning. How are you all? Okay, bache, we are going to start our today's lecture. Kindly take out your book, rough notebook, and your complete set of stationery, please. And today we should be a little bit speed up because we have to complete this exercise. Next week, inshallah, we'll work on application and this letter, okay? So I want you guys to be a little bit quick, please. Okay, now those who are done, Halima, what was yesterday's homework? Bache, ma'am, please understand. Yes. Okay, later on in the last 5 minutes, we'll discuss your problems, okay? But right now, concentrate on your today's lecture. Clear? Okay, so we are going to start our book exercises. That is on page number 38 in your book. Now, those who have books, kindly raise your hands and open page number 38, okay? Open page number 38 in your book. Excellent. Okay. So the first exercise is comparison, and it is ring the word that completes each simile. So if you remember, we already I already told you guys that what basically a simile is, isn't it? How many of you remember it? Raise your hands. Simile is basically when we are doing, comparison of two things, but using the words as or like, okay? So what is given in the question is we are given with some, statements, and then there are some two words as well. What we are supposed to do is we have to complete each simile, okay? According to the words given, and then I will tell you how you guys are supposed to use these similes in your sentences as well, okay? So the first one is as, slay, as, us. Now, what does slay means? Slay means makar, chalak, clever, cunning, clear. ठीक है ना? So means वो लोग जो के थोड़े से clever होते हैं, होशियार होते हैं, but cunning as well, साथ में चालाक भी होते हैं. So as, slay, as a giraffe is correct. Good. So it is as slay as a fox means as cunning, yeah, as clever as a fox. How you are supposed to use it in a sentence is like he is as slay as a fox. You have to watch him, okay? मतलब आपने उसको देखना है क्योंकि वो इतना होशियार है जितना कि लूमड़ी, मतलब लूमड़ी के जितना चालाक है. See, there's a comparison now. So you have to keep an eye on him. Whatever he's doing, you have to keep an eye on him. This is clear? Okay. Now the second one is as black as. The first option is chocolate and the second option is suit. Now what, if you look at the chocolate, and if you know, definitely we all love chocolate. The color of chocolate is not black, okay? It is dark brown. As black as suit means, the meaning of suit in Urdu is kajal. हम kajal लगाते हैं ना? Clear? So as black as suit means itna kala jitna ke kajal ke jitna kala na. There's a comparison again. So the clouds are as black as suit. मतलब जितना बादल जब आते हैं और मतलब बारिश भी साथ में होती है, तो क्या होता है कि उसका जो रंग होता है, बादलों का कलर जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे डार्किश ग्रे सा हो जाता है ना, डार्क ग्रे सा. So that is basically, हालांकि वो completely black nahi hota, but still there's a comparison, not as black as suit, okay? So the clouds were as black as suit, okay? The third one is as sick as. The first option is banana and the second option is parrot. Clever? Clear? As sick as parrot means disappointed. When you are disappointed, जब आप, परेशान होते हो. Okay, so after losing the match, he was as sick as a parrot. Means जब उन्होंने मैच हार लिया तो वो क्या थे, वो तोते के मतलब disappointed थे ना, बहुत ज्यादा खफा थे. So as sick as a parrot means when you are disappointed. Everything is clear till here? If yes, raise your hands. Hurry up, bache. Halima, bache, slay means, I told you that slay means hoshiyar, cunning, makar. Okay, the fourth one is as strong as. So see, there's a comparison. We have to make a comparison. We have to complete this comparison. We have to complete this simile. How? Using the word strong. हमने उस चीज को देखना है जो मजबूत होता है. Clear? So as strong as. The first option is ox. Now ox is a bale. गाय बेल होता है ना बेल. And the second option is olive. जैतून जो होता है. So as strong as an ox means when a person is very strong, जब बहुत ज्यादा मजबूत होता है बंदा. So as strong as an ox, you have to circle, you have to ring what? Ox. Okay. I have lost some weight, but still I am as strong as an ox. Although कि मैंने weight lose किया है, but still I am as strong as an ox. फिर भी मैं बेल की तरह मतलब मजबूत हूँ, ताकतवर हूँ. Okay. Now the fifth one is as brave as a. So there are two options. The first one is lion and the second one is mouse. Brave means bahadur. You all know this, okay? So as brave as a lion, you have to circle lion because sher bahadur hota hai. Mouse to bahadur nahi hota na. Sher ki tarah bahadur means jurratmand. Okay? When you have enough courage. So as brave as, you have to circle what? Lion. The soldier is as brave as a lion. सिपाही जो है तो वो शेर की तरह जुर्रतमंद है. Okay, बहादुर है. Okay. The sixth one is as tiny as a. The first option is grain of salt and the second one is chair. Tiny means छोटा, small. Grain of salt, जो pinch of salt होता है. हम जब salt को उठाते हैं ना, तो वो तो हम उसके दाने अलग अलग नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because it is too much smooth, isn't it? बहुत छोटे छोटे से उसके जो होते हैं तो वो pieces होते हैं. So that is basically known as grain of salt. Okay, as tiny as, you have to circle grain of salt. Hiba bache, it's a muscular. How it is a feminine? The feminine of ox is cow. Madiha, the third one is as sick as a parrot means when you are disappointed, jab aap kabhi pareshan hote ho. ठीक है, it is a simile. Clear? Means, let me use it in a sentence, is he was as sick as a parrot when his team lost the match. जब उसकी टीम ने मैच हार लिया तो क्या था, वो बहुत ज्यादा disappointed हो गया था. Is this clear now? Okay. As tiny as a grain of salt means जब आप किसी चीज को बेयकीनी से लेते हो ना, मतलब आपको किसी चीज पे 100% जब यकीन नहीं होता, जब आपको किसी चीज पे शक होता है, तो we use this simile that as tiny as grain of salt या grain of salt. ठीक है? So जब आपको पता होता है, it means that to understand that whatever the next person is saying, that is not completely true. ठीक है? तो I have read the article, but I take it as a grain of salt. मैंने ये article पढ़ा है. Articles होते हैं ना जो newspapers में आते हैं, तो मैंने ये article किसी चीज के बारे में पढ़ा है, but still I am not 110% sure either it is correct or not. Clear? Okay. The first one is as slay as a fox. You have to circle fox. The second one is as black as suit. You have to circle suit. As sick as a parrot. As strong as an ox. As brave as a lion. And as tiny as a grain of salt. Everybody has done? Okay. Now, the seventh one is as pure as. Options. One is snow and the other one is cola. Okay. So now you all know snow. I am not talking about ice. I am talking about snow. Clear? तो snow जब होती है when it is snowfall, तो वो एक natural चीज होती है. ठीक है? एक natural process होता है. ठीक है? And cola, you can take the example of Coca-Cola. It's a man-made thing. And secondly, if you come towards the comparison of the color of the both, so snow, it's in pure white color, and cola, it's in black color. Okay, Muhammad Umar, बच्चे sit properly, be attentive. Okay, so as pure as, you have to circle snow, and it means khalis, pak, shafaf. Clear? So the milk is as pure as snow. ठीक है ना? Okay, the eighth one is as sharp as the first option is knife and the second one is spoon. अगर आप इसकी वैसी मीनिंग को देख लें तो छुरी तेज होती है ना, स्पून तेज नहीं होता, मतलब उसके तो एजेस जो होते हैं वो काटने वाटने के लिए नहीं होते ना, बट नाइफ वी आर बेसिकली यूज नाइफ फॉर कटिंग, isn't it? So as sharp as knife means when a person is very quick, when a person is very clever. Clear? So my father was as sharp as knife and as accurate as a scale. मतलब मेरे जो बाबा थे तो वो बहुत क्लेवर थे, और मतलब जो बात करते थे तो वो बिल्कुल ट्रूथ, मतलब सच्चाई पर मबनी होती थी. As accurate as scale, scale means तराजू and accurate means perfect, जो जिसमें कोई गलती ना हो, बिल्कुल करेक्ट जो चीज होती है. ठीक है? So it means that the father's personality was, the person was very clever, and he was accurate in his actions or in his deeds, और मतलब कभी झूठ वूठ नहीं बोला या this and that, जिसकी personality में कोई lackings नहीं होती, कोई खामी नहीं होती. Pure means खास बच्चे, clear, शफाफ, हिबा, pure, खालिस जो होता है. Okay, now the ninth one is as clear as. Again, you have two options. One is paper and the other one is crystal. So, okay. So, before moving towards explanation, you guys tell me, जब हम पेपर को देखते हैं तो हम सी थ्रू, पेपर सी थ्रू होता है, हम उसकी दूसरी साइड पे देखते हैं ना, मतलब हमें उसके, अगर हम अपनी आंखों के सामने पेपर को पकड़े, कागज को, तो वो सी थ्रू नहीं होता ना, हमें उसके उस पार नजर नहीं आता. Clear? But when you take the example of crystal, you can take the example of glass. जो हमारा शीशे का ग्लास होता है, crystal glass जो होता है ना, तो जब हम उसको ऐसे आंखों के सामने पकड़े तो सी थ्रू होता है ना, हमें दूसरी साइड पे चीजें दिखती है ना. और you can take the example of your window glass as well. जब हम खिड़की के सामने खड़े होकर उस साइड पे देखते हैं तो हमें बाहर वाली चीज साफ दिखती है ना. तो you have to circle crystal, as clear as crystal means साफ शफाफ, and here this simile is for जो चीजें आसानी से समझ आ जाएं, समझ आने वाला. ठीक है? As clear as crystal means when something is very clear and very easy to understand. ठीक है? Okay, let me use it in a sentence that make sure your instructions are as clear as crystals. मतलब जब आप कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस किसी, हम जब एग्जाम के टाइम पे टीचर्स आपको गाइड करते हैं ना, दैट यू शुड डू लाइक दिस एंड यू शुड डू लाइक दैट, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम ये चीज को माइंड में रखते हैं दैट आवर इंस्ट्रक्शंस, व्हाटएवर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस व्हिच वी आर गिविंग यू, इट शुड बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर, मतलब आपको आसानी से समझ आ जाए. क्लियर? Okay, the 10th one is as sleepy as a. Again, we have two options. One is koala and the other one is person. Now, let me tell you what basically a koala is. It is a bear. It's an Australian bear, okay? And it sleeps almost 18 to 22 hours per day. Means we have 24 hours in a day now. So it almost sleeps 18 to 22 hours. मतलब hardly, कभी-कभी ये 4 hours जागा हुआ होता है या 2 hours जागा होता है. क्लियर? लेकिन कभी भी ये 4 hours से ज्यादा नहीं जागा हुआ होता. Why? Because it is not getting enough energy from its food na. So as sleepy as a koala, you have to circle koala because it's the only animal that sleeps too much. ठीक है? तो it is for when you are not attentive. Clear? For example, Ali was as sleepy as a koala in the class. मतलब he was in a sleeping mood. He was not attentive in the class. Okay, everything is clear till here? Is there any problem? Fatma, kola are mostly located in Australia. It's an Australian breed. Done? Bache, those who have done, kindly raise your hands. Okay, now this was the exercise A of page number 38. Now we are going to move towards exercise B. Ring the correct word to complete each comparison, okay? Now, the first one is teacher is to school as doctor is to. Okay, here we have to make, we have to see that the person is working, the workplace. Okay, here we have to mention the workplace. So teacher is to school means teacher is working in school as doctor is to, sorry, I typed here hospital already. So teacher is working in school as doctor is working where? Patient, mareez, hospital, hospital, ill, bimar, and female, you know, lady or a jodi. So teacher is to school as doctor is to, so you have to circle hospital, okay? Okay, the second one comparison is heavy is to light. Heavy and light. So heavy is the opposite of light. Heavy means bari and light means jo halka hota hai na wazan mein. So here we have to, now what we are supposed to do is we have to complete the comparison using another opposite of the word, using the word young, okay? Heavy is to light as young is to child. Young means jawan na. So child mean bacha, old mean booda, first mean pehla, and youth is also jawani na. So heavy is to light as young is to old. You have to circle old, okay? Okay, read is to book, means we are reading a book. We always read a book. Here, what basically we are showing is we are showing an action word, reading. Reading is a verb, na? Action word. So book is to read as watch is to. So like we are reading a book. So what we are watching? Time, television, music, or see. So what we are watching movies and dramas on what? On our television. And what we are reading stories and comics in what? In our books, okay? So read is to book as watch is to television. So what you have to do is you have to circle television. Ring television. Okay, the fourth one is mountain is too high. Means mountains are high. Now it is showing the quality of mountains. Now it is the quality of mountain. You can see that mountains are high. Pahar unche hote hain na. As ocean is to, what is ocean? Ocean is to, ocean means samandar. Wet, gila, swimming, when we are swimming. Scaling, you know, jab hum wo karte hain, sorry, sailing, jahaz chalana, kashti chalana na. So mountains is too high as ocean is too wet. No. Swimming, no. Sailing, no. As ocean is too deep. गहरे होते हैं ना, समंदर बहुत गहरे होते हैं ना. ठीक है, तो mountain is too high as ocean is too deep. Circle deep. The fifth one is stem is to flower. Means we are talking about the stem of the flower. Flower stem, okay? So stem is to flower as trunk is to. Ji Zona, bache, what do you want? Crystal clear mean bache, saaf, shafaf, that is easy to understand. Okay, bache, we have 3 minutes, so we have to be quick, okay? Stem is to flower as trunk is to, so you have to circle tree. Flower का जो stem होता है तो stem होता है, and जो दरख्त का stem होता है तो we call it trunk. तने, दरख्त के तने को हम trunk कहते हैं, ठीक है? Flower का जो वो होता है stem होता है तो उसको stem कहा जाता है, जो flower का जहाँ पे leaves होते हैं, you know, different जो branches जिससे निकलती हैं, so that is known as stem. और जो दरख्त का तना होता है तो that is known as trunk. So you have to circle tree here, okay? Stem is to flower as trunk is to tree. The sixth one is pack is to wolves as hive is to. pack of wolves means the group of wolves. ठीक है, भेड़ियों का जो एक ग्रुप होता है, that is hunting के लिए भी जा सकता है. So pack of wolves means the group of wolves. Okay, as hive. Okay, if you look at the word hive here, so basically जब हम normal routine में बात करते हैं तो we take hive as the the place where bees live, but it is a verb as well. ठीक है, action भी है, it is, and it means that what it means that it means कि hive क्या होता है कि जब bees एक साथ जा रही होती हैं, हमने अक्सर movies and cartoons में देखा है ना. So pack is to wolves as hive is to bees. You have to circle what? Okay, again I'm telling you that hive is basically the place. हम जब normal routine में बात करते हैं तो we take hive as a place where bees live, ना, bee hive जिसे हम कहते हैं. ठीक है, शहद की मक्खियों का जो चत्ता होता है. But it can be used as a verb as well, and that means to move together as one. ठीक है, so circle bees here. Now this is done. Okay, everything is clear till here? Okay, बच्चे, before moving to the next question, write your homework. Okay, बच्चे, your homework is write and learn pair of words 2 times. Okay, first learn your pair of words and then write it 2 times in your rough notebook. Okay, okay, the next one is add a second syllable to make a word. Okay, the first one is already done in the book for you. I already told you that what does syllable mean. Syllable means the division of word according to the vowels. Okay, sounds, vowels. So the first one is saucer. The first one is saucer. The second one is sea. You can add a side, so it can make a seaside. You can make it seafood. You can make it seashore. You can make it seagull. The choice is all yours. Okay. The third one is daughter. The fourth one is question. The fifth one is I did it as addition. You can make it adverb. You can make it advantage. You can make it admire. Okay. The sixth one is dance. The seventh one is between. You can make it behave, because. Okay. The eighth one is proper. You can make it property. You can make it routine. You can make it personal. Professional. Okay. The ninth one is hammer. The 10th one is pretty. 11th one is bucket, and the 12th one is blanket. Okay. So that was all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.